Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain COURSEKEY app review to see with what you're using. So to get started, COURSEKEY is a classroom management app designed to help students check into class, track attendance, complete assignment, and interact with instructor all from their phones. The app is commonly used by technical schools and colleges to replace manual sign-ins with GPS and or QR code based attendance tracking. Many students find it helpful for staying accountable and getting real-time update on grades and participation. It also allows instructors to push quiz and poll during lectures, make it more interactive. That said, the app does have its flaws. Some user report frequent glitches, login issues, and app crashes, especially during update or high traffic times. Others find it frustrating when the app doesn't recognize their location accurately, which can affect attendance. So still, if your school uses COURSEKEY and instructors are consistent with it, the COURSEKEY app is worth using, but mainly for its streamlined attendance tracking and in-class engagement tools. Just be prepared for the occasional bug and keep the app updated. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.